Hey guys, me and my sister found a bird in our backyard, and we saved it. So we're
The
gonna.
cat attacked it.
A cat attacked it, but not my cat, because my cat won't do that. She's old and she's lazy, and she doesn't have enough strength to take down a bird. And it's a Twitter bird. Yay! So it can Twitter for help. But no, we have it in a box, captive, until we take it to the vet tomorrow. She's playing Call of Duty. So we're gonna take it to the vet tomorrow at like 8 in the morning or something. And it's just right here. You can see. Yeah. It's resting in there. And I'll see you guys when I take it to the vet.